Now to fit in with the theme of the evening, of course gambling in casinos, so I've got some poker chips. Right here. Straight the way through. I just disconnect. Now the red one's joined. If I take the white one, this is where things get interesting, because now they switch places. Do you see the change? If I go like this, we have both on there. Now, 3 taps. 1, nothing happens. 2, still nothing. But it's the 3rd time they jump from hoop to hoop. Would you do me a favour? Would you check those and just make sure? If he takes those off, I'll be gutted, I'll tell you. Now watch the centre. The centre's the interesting point. One has moved and the other hasn't, but now they both move from one hoop straight the way through to the other. Large rings. Just disconnect like that. Check please, make sure there are no holes, no gaps. I thought she was going to do it for a minute. Oh, I noticed you wear a ring as well. Can I borrow one of those? I'll show you where it goes. Straight like this, it jumps from hoop to hoop. Just check and make sure that they're okay. Oh, well, it was worth a try, but as you looked there, you didn't look closely enough at your ring. I'm so sorry. But just in my back pocket, I've got my car keys, and if I bring my car keys out like this, just on the end of my car keys, there's one thing around it. Does that look familiar? I think you better take that back, safe and sound. The one piece. Thank you very much. The last thing we will do is we've got the poker chips attached. I give a flick like that, they come off. So that is the end of that. Well done. Well, thank you very much for our videographer. I hope you enjoy the rest of your